Right, well, we got our showers and did laundry all at the same place, so it saved time. But we thought we would show you a little bit of Kanab. Yeah, so kind of a cool house here coming up on the corner. Looks like a pretty old one here as I go behind the truck. We ate at the Cuban restaurant, Havana Cubana, it's called, right there. Cat a corner to where we are right now, and excellent.
Yeah.
It didn't have a lot of varied dishes that were Cuban, but had about 3 plus the Cuban sandwich. Carol had the sandwich and
Half of the sandwich.
yeah, she ate it. It was huge.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a cute little town, you know. Nice, you can see these little houses along the way. This theater's awesome. And I'll tell you, we were here, gosh, I think I mentioned like 12, 13 years ago, and you wouldn't recognize it. I mean, you know, here comes this Perry Lodge. I'm sure it was here. We don't remember a lot about it, but we remember enough to know that it wasn't quite this, what do you call it, touristy maybe would be a good word. Gentrified, whatever. So yeah, a lot of these shops here, some are new, some old ones. Of course, the Church of Jesus Christ of the Latter-day Saints. We are in Utah.
I don't see any other church buildings here, but they may just be on a different street.
All right. Well, I'm not sure we're going to run into a whole lot of other stuff here, but fun little drive through. Oh, wait a minute. There's a little bit more around the corner here. Nature Showcase. The Artificial Balancing Rock. Levi Stewart Memorial. Don't know. Quail Park Lodge. Obviously an oldie but goodie.
Goodie.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Antiques and things. And then some of these houses are just awesome.
It's like a miniature and more tolerable Moab.
Yeah, that's what I was talking to the guy there at the place where we...
Crazy Horse RV Park.
Yeah.
We recommend it.
Yeah, we recommend it, but I was talking to the, I guess he's the maintenance guy or whatever, and I was telling him the same thing. I said, yeah, it's like Moab. It's turning into Moab.
Yeah.
You know, going in Moab in the 80s, it was the sleepy little town. Now it's crazy. All right, that's good enough. Well, we are at our last stop for the day, except finding a camp spot, which we've been looking around here. It's not too bad. It's all BLM here, so we could just drive up the road. I don't know. We'll figure that out after we visit the belly of the dragon. So this is just a man-made tunnel. It's kind of just to let the water from under the roadway we were just on. Oh, so maybe we have to go down. No, here we go. Right here. Right here. All right, so we haven't decided if this is a good way or not. I think it is. Not a great way. Yeah, I'm a little high. Okay, I gotta turn this off and figure out how to get down. All right. This is the belly of the dragon. Wow. It's pretty cool. Look at all the people carve their names and stuff in.
That's gonna.
Wow, that is awesome. Getting out's going to be the worst part.
Oh, yeah, the flat spot.
Whoa! You can't see the... Yeah. Boy, the video looks awesome.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, there's kind of a tricky part right here. Just where
I see it. You got white butt cheeks. Yeah, it's very hard to see in here. I'm going to turn my light on and hopefully I won't forget to turn it off. Well, whoa. I think I was recording. Hopefully. I mean, boy, gotta really be careful. It wouldn't look as cool with good lighting. Whoa, man. Yeah, I really have to watch your step in here. Sandstone will trip you up real fast. Coming to the end here. The belly of the dragon. Absolutely gorgeous everywhere you look around here.
That's when I lived there. That's when I lived there. But, oh, okay. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, so here's the gorgeous walls on the way in.
Oh.
Like this little alcove here.
No.
Mira, y hay camino.
No, no te subo.
Cool. Yeah, boy, this place is just totally carved up. But I don't think there's anything wrong with doing it. Let me check and make sure I'm on the right setting here. All right, we're good to go again. Hopefully, I won't fall on my ass. Okay, I cut off for some reason. I don't know that I got when I fell on tape, but the sandstone, you can see here the edges. It kind of sticks out in places where you're walking and makes it very uncomfortable. Oh boy,
What?
not as interesting going this way. You got the light at the end of the tunnel before you even get to the end of the tunnel. I think I'm not going to record because it's just not going to be a very good recording going this way. All right. All right, so looking back into the belly of the dragon here. Like I said, it's kind of awful going forward here as far as the view. Although maybe it's cool. Blown out, kind of foggy. Look much cooler going the other way. But still.
There's a big rock sticking out right here. Like a big old agate.
Oh, Carol will be digging it out. Yeah, turn around now and take a look back down the belly. So I think it's a much better view. Ah, it's so awesome. Like ribs, rib bones. Very cool. Very, very cool. The interesting thing is going to be getting out of here. The first obstacle.
Nice walk.
Yeah, I'm turning it off here. So just so you know, there is a highway and a low way. The low way takes you way down there, and I don't know how you climb up. But this way, which is right out of the parking lot, it's a little tricky right there, where we went in and went out. So I would say be careful. So, do we camp around here? I guess we'll take a look at the map. We got some other places, but we're in no hurry tomorrow or anything. All right. Well, we did find ourselves a boondock spot here. It's not a great spot, but it'll do. We're not far from the belly of the dragon, and there was an absolutely gorgeous areas along the creek down there, the base of those mountains. However, it's kind of late, and all those spots were taken. So I guess we'll stay here. It doesn't matter that much to us. I've had to download a bunch of stuff. In fact, I have a ton of stuff to download today. And yeah, we'll just kind of rest and relax. Tomorrow we head, I think we may go through Zion Park. We're not going to stay there, but we may drive through it. So anyway, this will probably be the end of a video, and we do appreciate you guys watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, thanks.